Hi. So this here is my second statistics assignment poster. So today we are going to go through all the graphs and charts that have been showcased in this poster. They can be quite hard to see, so I'm going to zoom in. To zoom in, you go here to the bottom right, and I'm going to go into 66%. Hi. So this graph showcases the average, max, and min of the August COVID cases for both years. The blue represents 2020 while the gray represents 2021. And what we can see here is that 2021 is much, much larger than 2020 in every single aspect. This graph showcases the total COVID cases of both 2020 and 2021 and compares them. And again, we can clearly see that 2021 is much higher than 2020. The COVID cases that in 2021 were a lot higher than in 2020 for the month of August. This here is just a picture of a COVID mask. So what this shows us here is the average, the max, the min, and the total for August of 2020 and 2021 and compares them. And we can clearly see here again that 2021 is much higher in every single aspect, as the average in 2020 was 90, while the average in 2021 is 1,685. Okay, and this graph here. This graph showcases the COVID cases in each day in August 2020 and 2021. It highlights the max and the min of both years compared to the other days in the month and compares 2020 and 2021 by each day. This line here on top is 2021, while the line here on the bottom is 2020. And again, that we can see that 2021 is much higher. What this tells us is that lockdown was very effective in keeping COVID cases to a minimum. To see this better, we can zoom in. Here you go. Now, monthly averages. This chart here compares the COVID cases for both August 2020 and 2021 to other months of the COVID data. It compares the monthly averages. Here, as we read this graph, these charts, we can see that the months with the lowest average COVID cases was during lockdown, which was June. Here in August 2020, the average is 19, and it jumps to 247 in September. This could be because schools reopened and a lot more people were interacting with one another and going out a lot more. Here we fast forward to August 2021, where we see the average COVID case for this month was 1,685, which was a significant jump from the previous month of July, which was 938. What this tells us is that a lot more people were going out now as COVID restrictions were loosened and a lot more people were less fearful of COVID. From here on out, the average COVID cases for the months only started to go higher and higher and higher as COVID restrictions got a lot more weakened and a lot more people were going out because they were less fearful of COVID. I can zoom out for this chart. These two graphs showcase the moving averages for both August 2020 and 2021. Through these, we can see the moving averages are a lot lower and more fluctuate in 2020 as they go up and down more than in 2021. In 2021, they still go up and down in their own respect, but nowhere near as much as in 2020. The orange line represents the moving averages. This here is my problem, plan, data analysis, and conclusion. And that here is my poster for the second statistics assignment. That is everything there. Thank you very much.